Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Tuesday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. Yesterday, we killed NASDAQ and also US30, but not much on US30. But we made a very nice profit yesterday, so everything was just nice as we expected. So I will just start with NASDAQ. I can see it's still pushing. So what happened actually yesterday is we had a breakout something. Let me show you. We had something like this. You can see that this is a very simple and straightforward breakout. So it means I have also drawn something like this. If you checked my previous video, so I said if maybe we break out of this, so we can have this nice buy. So let me, I see this thing is very far. Let me just zoom that. While I'm still zooming, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's reach 600 this week, I think, or 700 this week, because now we are on 590 I think. So we'll just left with few members to join the team so that we can reach that 600. So thanks to everyone who already subscribed. Don't forget to just like. Everyone who subscribe, when you just watch the video, hit that like, guys, so that we can reach other traders or other people who really need this kind of information. So here it's what happened yesterday. You can see this was a support, resistance. Here it's a resistance, here it's a support. So here it's also another support. So what happened is we had something like this here. As remember, this is a 4-hour time frame, so we had something like a resistance. So after this breakout, we just took that buy. You can see the market is just moving higher. So I also had another buy here, so that the one that I just left since I think it's last week. So now I'm around here, so everything is locked. So I think everything is clear. But another thing, I think maybe around this area, do you see that? I hope you can see that. You see, I just want you to see something. So from this, it's a support. Let's go further. When we try to go further, we can see that the market is reaching this zone here. It's a zone. So it's possible that NASDAQ can try to reject from this area. So it means that if you did not lock your profit, try to lock that profit. Sorry, we can try to lock that profit, because we're reaching another area which is here. It means NASDAQ can still try to reject here, maybe before we can see upward momentum. But at the moment, I think maybe we can still push higher. So everything's still nice and clear. So let's just do the trend lines and see what we can expect from there. So if I can try to draw something like this, let me see. Yeah, something like that can happen. Let me try that, because we just have to try everything, guys, because this is now on a bullish momentum. So we just have to find that a nice trend line, uptrend line for this, so that we can just run with it. So we can even take this one out maybe for now, and let's go maybe to a bit smaller. So here you can see that here I think maybe NASDAQ, but this is very steep, so it means it can be broken very easily. So what we can, but at the moment, it's what we're looking at. The market can still do something like this, so we can expect rejection. Then the market can create a very nice movement like this. I hope maybe you can see that. So with this trend line, it will help us to see, okay, here you can say maybe here's the first one, but the second one is this, and the third one is this. So it means we're just waiting for the third confirmation, or for the third confirmation. If it does bounces around this area, it's where we'll just know, okay, the market is now on a very nice uptrend, but this is very steep. When I say steep, it's very moving, it's a very steep. So if maybe it was like moving like this, it was much better because the market was going to create something like this, but this is very steep. We can see maybe the market respecting this several times, then we can see a breakout very quickly, you see. But at the moment we're still relying on this support until this support is broken. But at the moment it's not broken. It means the market is only looking for that buy momentum, only buying momentum. So we don't look at anything except buying, unless we break this support. So let's see, maybe on a bit smaller, maybe we can get something. But remember, don't forget to place that this is not a strong resistance, guys, but it should be there, so that when you see the market rejecting there, you should not be surprised. You should know that, okay, there's something on the other side, you see. So let's try to go to a bit smaller time frame. You see, on a bit smaller time frame, everything is quite clear. You can see the market is just creating something like this. So here, because we have another resistance, we can see something like this. When the market comes here, can reject before we can see another breakout doing the same moves like that. So on NASDAQ, I don't see much that I can explain. This move is quite simple. The market is still going higher, so we can just wait for the market to open and see if maybe the market is breaking this area. If it doesn't come there, maybe you can wait if it's possible, but I don't think maybe that can happen now. But if maybe you want to sell, it means you're going to wait for the market to break this zone, this support area, which is this. If it doesn't break this, just look for only buy opportunities, you see. So let's go straight to US30. US30 was also going up, but very slowly. So this is an hour time frame. You can see there's not much of a movement here. You can see that, but we having something like a support, a resistance there. You can see here. Before you can draw that, you can see here we have something like that. So if the market breaks above here, already we see a breakout. If it closes above here, it's where we're going to take a very nice buy. So we can try to connect these areas. If the market breaks above, so we're taking a very nice buy. Or if the market is creating this fake breakout, we can see the market try to go lower. Why? Because you can see this is a resistance, and this started around here. Even if maybe the market broke here, but here the market is now playing around that zone, so it's better to go to a bit smaller time frame. Let's see, on a bit smaller time frame, let's just draw our trend line, our support, our resistance. So remember, it's just a zone, don't get confused with this. Yeah, it's something like this. So even if I bring it down, you can see the market did not close above. So we've seen another sell-off. Another market is rejecting around here. So when should we buy? Where should we buy or sell? So for us to sell, let's see, we're going to draw something like this here. You see, so for us to buy, it means the market has to break here, close above here. Sometimes you can have a retest. If we don't see that retest, then it means the market can keep going higher. But if we have a retest, or let's say the market close above and try to create a bullish momentum, it's where we're going to have our nice buy. But if that doesn't happen, we also have a nice support. You can see upward trend here. If this support is broken, we're going to wait for that, and then we can take a very nice sell. So you don't just sell because we are here, you sell just because maybe this area is broken, because we deal with areas. So let's go maybe here. This is an hour. You can see still respecting that. So you can see this is a perfect, it's a very nice line, so, or support. So for us to do anything, we just have to wait for the market to break this area, close below here. You can see since here the market never closed below this support. So if it closes below, it's either you're waiting for that retest, or you can just jump on it and on a sell, then, or you can just wait for retest, then you can say I'm selling, which I don't think maybe it's going to be a bad thing. So you can just sell, take your profit somewhere there. Everything I think is going to be as you planned. If not, most of the time things they will go as you planned. But here we have in our resistance. If the market breaks here, then we can expect, we can just wait for a retest. Why we don't want this fake breakouts, then the market comes back and respect that. So the best thing is we're waiting for this here. It's a very nice zone where we can just check it. We just have to like wait, sit down and just watch this, just check this after 30 minutes and see if maybe we have any breakout. So it's going to be easy for us for this one. So today we just have to focus on US30. So let's go straight to gold and see what's gold. It's what's happening on gold. Gold has been like going up and down this week. So we are on an hour. You can see that we see a very nice bullish. Let's see, this is a 4-hour time frame, guys. So let's see, you can see the market, it's been going higher. The market has been going higher. So but let's see, so what we want here on gold is things are a bit different, guys. On gold things are very bit different. Why? Because mostly when it's away from this support like here, it's not easy for you to buy around this zone. That's why we're going to miss most of them. It's not easy to buy around this. It means you're going to wait for this. Why? Because those rejections, they are like lethal, they are deadly. They can blow your account easily. So here you can see I'm on an hour. I'm trying to show you, or maybe let's just say 2 hours. You see, so on 2 hours you can still see what I'm talking about here. It's a very nice bullish, but unfortunately sometimes you can't get these moves here. Why? Because we have to get these moves around here. Sometimes if you get here, you will be like in trouble, because we can see another rejection. Then after here, when you lose in much, the market can still push higher, you see. So the best thing that you can do, make sure you get your trades very closer to the support, then the market can push high. But here you can see these consolidations, guys. These are just consolidations, but they can still be bigger moves if maybe you're just scalping, you see. But what my point is, I want to show you here. You can see, maybe I want to get the trades around these zones. It's easy to get this market here. Why? When the market reaches here, it will just bounce quicker. But when the market is around here, mostly the market is very slow, or the market is just consolidating. So I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you on gold, but just wait for the market to reach this area before you can buy. If that doesn't happen, it means that the market can just break this support and try to sell off. I hope maybe you understand that guys. So this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like and share with your friends. If you want to be in the group, my VIP group, check the description, check my contacts there. Contact me, just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. I'll just help you how to join the team. It's only $50. It's going on $100 this month. And this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.